Welcome back to Terry's Corner, everybody. This is a topic that we haven't hit before, and it's a very important topic. Seated to my right is Scott Donnelly, owner and inspector at High Tech Home Inspections. But what we wanted to do is talk about how do we choose a home inspector. It's going to be easy for me, Scott. My job as a broker realtor is to recommend three good home inspectors, and then we turn them over to you. What do you like to do when you first meet the customer in the home inspection?
Well, I think generally the very first thing we ask them is what are their main concerns. If they've noticed anything about the property that they want us to pay any special attention to.
So this is a two-way street.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes, absolutely. They've been to the house before we have been and had a chance to look it over and maybe a concern about the roof or the age of the HVAC system. So we try to get all those things right up front, what they're concerned about, and then we'll pay special attention to them as we're going around.
And then what's the process like? They don't need to follow you around room by room, do they?
Well, they're certainly welcome to. It's not a bad idea, but I don't know that we've ever found anybody that can keep up with us for 2 or 3 hours through a home inspection.
That's true. And I've been working with this company for a long time now. One of the nice things that you've done, and you've made some improvements over the years, tell us what inspections you actually perform.
We pretty much handle anything and everything a home buyer needs to purchase a home, whether it be on city water and sewer or well and septic. We do a very thorough house inspection. We do termite inspections, mold testing, indoor air quality testing, septic testing.
So you do it all.
Water test.
My favorite saying, everybody knows, from the rooter to the tutor, from the tip to the stern. So good companies do all of that, and it's really nice. One of the reasons I recommend you guys often is it's nice because you don't have to bring in a second or a third inspector. Tell us, and this one's important to me, do you do any work after? Like, do you come back and remediate the termites or fix the septic? Do you do any of that?
Yes, no, we don't do any of the work. We don't treat for termites, we don't fix the septic systems, we don't work on houses.
Oh, so wait a second, if I can interrupt. So what that really means is there's no vested interest in this except for protecting the consumer who's buying the property.
Absolutely.
You're not selling them anything.
Absolutely. And for a home inspector, the industry standards and code of ethics are that you can't work on a home. But for some of the additional inspections that we do, septic inspections, termite inspections, a lot of inspectors are able to do both of those things because they don't have those guidelines to follow. But we do not. All we do is inspect. For our fair opinions, as Terry said, there's no financial interest into what we're reporting.
So on the back end, so you get a true and forthright inspection from quality companies. That's what you want to make sure. I'm here to support Scott and his guys and gals in this inspection industry, and we're lucky to have so many good inspectors in Worcester County. And thanks for coming in today.
Thank you, Terry. It was a pleasure.
My pleasure.